Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Imana here. As always, I want to bring you the latest news on what's going on in the crypto market. I want to take us through this video to check out what's going on. We've been seeing what's going on actually. So without wasting much time, let's get into it. 2 big days, 2 big decision for crypto industry. Mark your calendar with June 13 and 14 because some big things going to happen. So on June 13, the consumer price index for the month will be released, followed by the Federal Reserve's interest rate hike decision on June 14. This event carries significant implications for financial markets, investors, businesses, and consumers alike. The market is eagerly awaiting the CPI figures projected at 4.1% as they serve as a key indicator of inflationary pressures. Meanwhile, the Federal Reserve's decision on interest rates will shape the monetary policy landscape moving forward. Let us delve into these crucial events and their potential impact. So June June 13 USA CPI data. The consumer price index CPI is a widely watched economical indicator that measures the average change in prices paid by consumers for a basket of goods and services. The June 13 release of the CPI data is particularly significant as it will provide insight into inflationary trends and their potential impacts on the US economy. The forecast suggests that the June CPI figures may reveal a 4.1% increase compared to the previous year. This projection indicates a substantial rise in prices, potentially surpassing the Federal Reserve's preferred target of 2% inflation. If the data confirms these expectations, it could raise concerns about the sustainability of economic growth and prompt adjustment in monetary policy. A higher than expected CPI figure could have several implications. It may intensify concerns about raising inflation, leading to increased market volatility and potentially impacting consumer sentiment. Businesses could face higher input costs, which might result in reduced profit margins. Additionally, inflationary pressures could put upward pressures on wages, contributing to potential labor market challenges. June 14th Federal interest rate hike decision. June 14th Federal interest rate hike decision that the Federal Reserve. The following day, on June 14th, the Federal Reserve will announce its decision on interest rates. This decision will be closely watched by market participants and investors as it will provide insight into the central bank's stance on monetary policy. Given the anticipation of elevated inflationary pressures, there has been speculation about a possible interest rate hike. A rate hike could serve as a tool for the Federal Reserve to manage inflation by increasing borrowing costs, thereby curbing excessive spending. However, the Federal Reserve's decision will depend on a thorough assessment of various economic factors, including the CPI data, labor market conditions, and overall economic growth. And interest rate hikes could have a ripple effect on various sectors of the economy. Borrowing costs for businesses and consumers could rise, potentially affecting investment decision and consumer spending. In conclusion, you should mark your calendar for June 13 and 14 for CPI data, which is Consumer Price Index, and the interest rate hike by the Federal Reserve. So those decisions, let's wait for it. And so just mark your calendars. I don't want anybody to get financially hurt. Okay, so just listen, and that will actually make how the economy will be, businesses, everything. So make sure you do your research actually. Okay. If you all watch up to this moment, kindly subscribe to the channel and turn on that little notification bell. Like this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.